Alright, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to start making over $1,000 a day at 15 years old. So I know I've done this myself personally, and I know people who are doing this who are making between 1,000 and 10,000 a day using this method. So this is something you can start doing today, something I've done, so I got a lot of experience with this. Well, when I used to do it, which was years ago, but it still works today. I still see a lot of people doing it, so you can start doing this today if you want to like make about $100 a day or a month. But right, so step one is, so you just start making your PayPal account, because that's what you need. You're gonna need to use a PayPal account. You're gonna need a Skype account to contact people, and if you want to accept like Bitcoin and crypto payment, you might want to set that up as well. And then step two is you want to sign up to forums. So the basic idea behind this is basically reselling like views, followers, comments, likes, shares, and basically that kind of stuff. So this is like a social media panel. So this is where you're going to want to make your accounts. Alright, so all you got to do is type in SMM panel, and the main thing you want to do though is actually look for the cheapest ones. So these ones, for example, Instant Fans, this is like a level 2 thing. So basically there's a difference between these websites. So you have suppliers. I mean, if you do any drop shipping, you probably understand this. So you got suppliers, and then you got actual resellers. Okay, so this website is probably more of a reseller. Actually, this one is not actually. Okay, but let's say you typed in buy 5,000 followers. You'll see that most of these guys are going to be resellers. So here we got Famoid, Social Sell, Pixly. So this is when you get more advanced. You're going to start learning how to do this, but for the time being, there's a more basic way. So you want to start at level 1, okay, and then later on you can move to level 2 and then level 3 when you join the group. So for level 1, basically what you want to do is actually find these SMM panels. Okay, so all you have to do is type in SMM panel, and they're generally super cheap. So you can usually find their pricing. So you can see you can sell like Pinterest followers, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Periscope, Vine, Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to find people who actually buy this stuff, because there are a lot of people who want to buy this, and if you can sell it to them, then you can basically charge your own price. Alright, so let's look at the pricing, and looks like you have to sign up to find them, but generally it's going to be super cheap. So you want to look through a few of them, because there are a whole lot of them. Actually, no, I might as well show you the one I use. Well, I forgot which one I use. I used to use like a year. That's just called Socialbox. There you go. There we go. This is the one I recommend. This is one I always used to use, and so I'm gonna recommend buying this one. And what you can do is you can actually get express orders, and so you can get everything for a lot cheaper. All right. So if you want to copy what I did, you can use this one. But I think there are other cheaper ones. So don't hold me on this, and you can basically get a lot cheaper than this if you look properly. But this one's very cheap. This is what I use. So let's say someone wants 5,000 views. Okay, then you can basically, so for you it can be $5. You can mark it up to $30. Alright, and that's where you make your profit, 25. This is going to be pure profit, by the way. So you can basically, you can start this without any upfront costs. So there's no upfront cost to this. All you have to do is find someone who's going to buy, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and then just mark it up $25. And then you just made $25, 100% profit. In fact, if you got no money at all, this works perfectly, because you can get someone to send you the $30, and then you can come here and buy it for $5, and then you literally just made $25 from nothing, like literally from zero to nothing. So that's what I said, make PayPal. I've had a lot of people who paid me like Bitcoin and stuff in the past, so you might find those people who might want to pay in Bitcoin. It's up to you if you want to do that. And you need Skype. This is how you contact them. Alright, so basically you're gonna get a lot of repeat customers. I got a lot of repeat customers who basically want to buy views like every other day. So that's even better. That's what you want. So that way you can easily get to like $200 a day, $300 a day, because people are going to keep buying again and again from you. Alright, so sign up to forums. So which forums do you want to look at? So I'll show you which forums you want to look at. The one I've only used one forum, by the way. So just in case it sounds like a whole bunch of forums, I've only ever used Black Hat World. Alright. and literally there's sections in here where you can just find people who want to buy that stuff, and that's literally where I sold all my stuff. It's not complicated, it's not rocket science. Or you just find someone who wants to buy it for $30. Come over here on one of these websites, buy it for $5, you just made $25 profit. It's literally that simple. Alright, you know what I mean, there's no upfront cost to you. So you just want to go to hire a freelancer, that's one of them. And there's another one called the want to buy. Alright, I can't find that one actually, but it's somewhere around here. But it's the same thing. No, you want to look for that. Anyway, you want to come in here, and then you're gonna find people who will basically pay for this stuff. There's also a whole bunch of other stuff you can sell, but this is just one of the many things. You can even sell like Amazon reviews. Here we go. Look, Instagram ID service, delivering like a mention per comment. Alright, there's so many like Amazon reviews, but the one that we want to look at is basically where do we go? So basically you just want to look through this. Here we go. I need likes for a new Facebook page. He wants 1 to 5,000 likes. And then imagine you just found one of these panels and you resold it to him. Let's say you paid $5 for 1,000 likes. I mean $1 for 1,000. Sell it for $30 or even 20. Even $20. You just made $15 profit. And he's got his 1 to 5,000 likes. So it's all fair. There's nothing wrong with doing this. Alright, just set up your PayPal. Set up your PayPal, that's what they're gonna pay you. Make sure to pay as family and friends, so just in case. And then set up your wallets, sign up to forums. This is one forum, there's so many forums you can sign up to. By the way, I didn't use any other forums, so it's the first time I'm looking for them, but you can start with like online marketing forum. And trust me, people, there's gonna be so many. So here we got Warrior Forum, alright, digital marketing forum. Even on Quora you can sell it. Alright, we got Wicked Fire, affiliate marketing. Trust me, on all these websites, people are gonna be asking all about this stuff. So it's that simple. Literally, just make a PayPal, Skype, make an account here, find someone like him, and sell it. That's literally it. That's literally all you have to do. Alright, and there's going to be a little bit more competition, so that's why you want to start looking at other forums. And the main thing you want is repeat customers. But once you start making a little bit of money with this, you want to move to level 2. Alright, so this is where you actually make a website. So let me show you. So the guy that I know, he has like a couple websites like this. And here you go. So like you want to make websites like that, so that you can basically get free traffic from Google. And this way, and not just your own website, by the way, you want to make your own bots. So if you didn't know, the way they get these likes is through like bots and all that stuff. Basically, if you do it, if you make your own stuff, you can get it for a lot cheaper. You can get it at your own price. So you're gonna be the supplier, and you're gonna have your own website, and you can charge crazy prices. Let me go on this one. This one's a bit weird. So you can charge crazy price. Look, these guys are charging $8 for 1,000 followers. That's $8. I mean $9 for 1,000 followers. That's crazy. That's extremely high. Right, that's extremely high. So imagine having your own website like this. Right, make it look a little bit professional, like just like that. And you can charge these crazy prices. Alright, and you own everything. Okay, so you'll own your own bots, you'll own the website, and you can make multiple websites with different names. And then you can rank your website on Google and get free traffic every day. Alright, this is a bit more advanced. This is level 2. So if you want to say, if you're 15, you want to start with level 1. If you're a beginner, you want to start with level 1. Alright, get to like $50 a day, $100 a day. Make enough money this and that, then you can start buying hosting. Alright, so obviously for this you need to buy hosting, domain name, and that's probably, you're probably gonna have to learn how to make a website, or you can buy your website. But you can probably learn how to make it. You don't need to buy one. It's gonna be too expensive, especially if you're starting out. So you can make it yourself, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so go on one of these forums, find people in these high freelance sections, send them a message. Alright, tell them to PayPal you the money first. By the way, always take payment first. Always take payment first and then send the followers or whatever. That's literally all you have to do, and then just message them for people who need your service. If you want a level 3, which is more advanced, or if you just need any help with this, just join the group. Alright, so I'm gonna put a link in the description to join the group. Alright, this is just beginner stuff, right? If you this is what I did, like, I don't know, like 3-4 years ago, probably longer than that. So depends. If you're a proper beginner, this is probably what you want to do. Get some quick money in the bank, and it's really easy. $0 upfront cost. That's the best part. Anyway, my throat is dying. I'm super ill today, so this is all I'm probably gonna make for now. And yeah, so just use this method. Super easy. I've done it myself. I know other people doing the advanced and intermediate method, but you can do the beginner method, which is what I did. So yeah, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on notifications, and speak soon.